What's up, everybody? It's Steve Williams, founder and president of the CreditRepairShop.com. I had to do this.
I say ICDC, call it ICDC college. I say ICDC, I'm so ICDC college.
All right, everybody. This is Stephen Williams, founder and president of the CreditRepairShop.com. The reason why I played that video is because it's just to let you know what this is all about. It looks right here, Trump is going to veto student loan forgiveness bill. Now, we're not talking about the regular student loan for public service employees. They already stopped that one also, but this is the one that I'm talking about, is the one that's going to most likely affect most of you that are watching this video. This is the one where student loan forgiveness, schools that were employed illegal or deceptive practices to borrow money to go to their schools, and these are schools that basically closed. And I put that on there about ICDC College. I put that on there because what I have here is a list of schools, and this is a spreadsheet. There's so many schools on here, it's unbelievable, and it gets updated on a daily basis or weekly basis by Department of Education. But I'm going to search right here, ICDC College. Where are we at? ICDC College, right here. Closed. They're closed. These were those scam schools. They were making promises to people. You go there, they're going to get you this job. They're going to do all of this stuff. Basically, all they were doing was just getting people to get loans. And we already know what communities they were taking advantage of. And I'm not just talking about the black community. I'm talking about people that are in the position. It could be black, white, Mexican, anyone that is just trying to move themselves up, but they just don't have the understanding of, they listen to the promises that these schools make, and they just couldn't come through. Basically, all they were trying to do is to get people to take loans. Here's one here that was a school of fashion, hair fashion, paralegal, business school. The business school that couldn't even stay in business. They're going to teach you about business, and they can't even stay in business. Let's just go down the list here. It's just unbelievable. Let's see how many places this was. So you got over, at this time when we had this list, and this one is a long time ago. I haven't been really going back and updating it. But we got, at that time, was 13,799 of these so-called schools that were ripping off people. That means that there's millions of people all across the United States that have been getting hit up, and they have these student loans, and the government is collecting from them. And according to what's going on right now, is that they're changing the rule to where you cannot get out of paying that debt. This was the original rule issued during the Obama administration. They turned it around, and they're saying that just because you got ripped off doesn't mean that you should be able to get out of paying the money for the school, even though the school closed. These are schools that closed. These are schools that closed down. Some of these online schools and all of those, these are ones that are closed down. Let me go back to the top here. And you can go to the Department of Education. But look, this is straight from them. This isn't, something that I got. This is straight from them. And this was the 2017. I haven't even updated this in 3 years. There was so many. Haven't even updated it in 3 years. But closed school search page. All of these schools were ripping off people. Nursing schools, you name it, they were all out there, and they were just taking advantage of people. And what we were doing with our company, what we were doing is we were able to package up by showing the Department of Education that an individual had been ripped off. Let's see if I can get to that page with the Department of Education. I think it's right here. Here's the updated page. Let me move this. We were packaging up using their forms with the Department of Education and submitting it to them, and they were the loans were being forgiven. Because why would you charge someone to have to pay for a school that closed? Why would you want them to have to pay? And so if you find yourself in that situation, I'm very sorry to report that they have stopped allowing that program to where you can have that debt forgiven. They're going to make you pay for something that everyone, even them, know 1,000% that you cannot get the benefit of that education. No one is going to accept any credentials from that school, no jobs, none of that stuff. So hopefully if administrations change, that this could be reinstituted, because this is one of the things that holds people back, is paying on debt that they are not able to benefit from. I can understand if you went to the school, you were able to really get a job from what they claimed, but these schools were just basically lying to people. So I just wanted to get this information out there to you so you would know. Hopefully new programs can come about, but this is what's going on right now with the cancellation of debt for people that were ripped off with these fraudulent schools. This is Stephen Williams, and until next time, please visit thecreditrepairshop.com if you need help with your credit. If you need to get your credit reports and scores, remember everything starts there. Go to the number 3scores.com, and the links are below this video. Thank you.